St. James teen missing since Wednesday. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An ananda alert has been activated for 15-year-old Nayani Burton of Meadowsville Retirement in St. James, who has been missing since Wednesday, June the 15th. She is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 3 feet 9 inches tall. Reports are that Nayani was last seen at school at about 3:30 p.m. wearing a green blouse. All efforts to contact her since then has been proven futile. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Nayani has been asked to contact the St. James Police at 876-979-8452-3, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.